Car insurance for 20-year-old. In a moment, you'll discover the single biggest mistake people make while shopping for car insurance for 20-year-old, and how exactly to get the cheapest auto insurance rate that is available to you. The number one mistake made while shopping for car insurance is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers. Less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. You might have heard that insurance rates are often higher for a 20-year-old. That's because young drivers often like to toe the line of risky behavior, and they have little experience driving. Instead of taking out a brand new policy for your child's, add them to yours. This will help keep the rates under control, especially if you have a good driving record and drive a safe, reliable car. You'll also want to make sure to note which car the child will be driving. The vehicle does have an impact on the insurance rates. As you can imagine, a safe, solid minivan will likely cost less to insure than a sports car. Does your kiddo have good grades? If you're the proud parent of a student with a good GPA, your insurance company will likely reward you with a discount. Good students are seen as being less of a risk, so check and see if you qualify for a good student discount. If your driver child goes to college, you might be able to get a discount if they're going to school far away, for example, 100 miles from home, and they're not bringing a vehicle with them. The car that your kids drive has an impact on their insurance rates, which we mentioned above. It might be better to go with a safe, reliable used car than to get them a new, shiny car. If you already have a safe car that you feel comfortable with your kid driving, all the better. Do it. The car should ideally be more than 5 years old and have 4 doors. Other practical information: only name one car for your teen to drive, and don't let them drive any other vehicles. The rule should be that they can only drive the car that they're insured for. Keep the car in your name rather than switching it over to that of your teen driver. Now, as promised, here is a simple trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. And best of all, it's completely free.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.